However, if you maybe you have another type of business you're doing, online business you're doing before, I would suggest you just focus on that and don't bother, going for all those shiny objects that you still have to invest $2,000 for you to join their program, or probably maybe the Ecom 2.0 might have even increased to $5,000. Most online gurus now make use of workshop to convince people into joining their coaching program. And this is another workshop by William Rivera, which is the Ecom degree workshop. And this is my honest review, which I'm giving to you today. Now, it's a workshop that you will register for, and you can learn how to sell products on Amazon and using drop shipping. As you can see, here it stays on free live workshop, and it says learn my recession-proof strategy to building a highly profitable online business in 2023 without touching any products and with little time invested. Now, the moment I click on the register now, I'm going to see an opt-in, which is going to, request me to input my email address, and I'm going to book a webinar with this guy. Now, what you have to know is that the webinar will mostly be pre-recorded, so it's nothing new like that. But let's talk a little bit about this. And let me head straight to another page of this type of workshop, which has more details concerning William Rivera and his program. All right, welcome back, friend. Now you can see it says this is another page of this, and it says this is wide open for everyday people right now in June 2023. Brand new Amazon model reviewed how to collect daily payments as a trusted vendor of big name brands like Sony, Logitech, and Fiji. You can see without needing any marketing experience or thousands of dollars to invest. So here's the guy right here. It's always about broke to rich kind of screenshot and post. And you can see by the left, we have the when he was broke and now he's now with a Ferrari. Okay, so so you can see live masterclass starts in the countdown is always there. All right, so right now you see what you learn on Sunday 90 minutes masterclass, and all that. So how everyday people in May 2023 are collecting daily payments from Amazon without having to do any marketing. And it's gonna give you a case study of the exact step by step protocol that is using to make $350K per month in only 28 days with one product, and how you can start replicating it this month. And also you unlock 3 bonuses if you stay out in the hand. 97% of gurus will charge you thousands of this. Now these guys don't also call themselves gurus, in which they are actually the guru, but they they use guru terms all the time. So one thing you're just gonna be learning, these are the things you're gonna be learning. Okay, the method you use to sell just one e-commerce product and make a lot of money. And also you'll be put through some case studies, okay, which is probably about a screenshot. And one thing is just that the moment you opt in for these, don't feel like maybe you're gonna learn a lot. The end goal is just for them to pitch you about their program, their course. Okay, so that is one thing you have to know. So in case you kind of fly, you kind of optimistic, it's cool, but you need to have your cash at hand. Okay, so try to have that money in the bank before you should even register for this, because at the end of the day, you shouldn't expect for you to learn anything. You see all this exact step-by-step protocol of maybe how you make $350K in a month. Don't feel like maybe you're gonna learn anything. It's just screenshots of them showing you how much they've earned, the students that have earned, and even though they are not real. So all those things are what you're gonna be learning, like you're gonna be seeing in the workshop. All right, so it's nothing biggie about them. And other bonuses for you at the end of the webinar probably is just some kind of cheap bonuses that you're gonna be pitched for in case you join their program. So if we should scroll a little bit, we have a little bit here which investor ended. You yourself would have seen. You can see William Rivera here is a young lad, and he's making a lot of money from selling his Amazon FBA courses. Mostly that is how they make their money, and he has some testimonials concerning the workshops he has done, or he's doing this workshop. Some of the testimonials, even though they might not actually be that real, all right, but that is just what you have to know. And at the end of everything, you are gonna land on the Ecom degree university. Now let's talk about the drawback of this workshop. It's a free workshop though, so you just have to sign up, and that is all. You just input your email address, click the register now, input your email address, and the moment you're done, you'll be keep getting emails from him concerning you participating in the workshop. And after that, and you're being pitched, then you keep getting emails of you joining their coaching program, okay, which will be high ticket. Now, just like I said, the drawbacks. Let's talk about the drawback of this. All right, welcome back. So after everything, you're gonna be upsell, upsell the Ecom degree university course, okay, which cost $1997, roughly $2,000. That is the amount you're gonna be spending for you to join the Ecom degree university. Presently, he's now having the Ecom degree 2.0. Okay, I talked a little bit about this in another video review on this channel, so you might want to check it out. Also, although majorly what I talked there also is also what I discuss here also, but you might just learn more from that. And you can see it at the top right corner, or probably you can check the link in the video description. I might put it there also. So it's the Ecom degree university review, which is the course. Okay, so this is just the workshop. The workshop is just a step to get you into the course. Okay, so they meant you register for the workshop, and they just put you through some stuff, and show you screenshot of their earnings and all that, and they pitch you for the Ecom degree university. So he has the Ecom degree 2.0 now, and he also invited some other coaches, okay, into the Ecom degree 2.0. So you might want to watch out for that later, and it might actually have already come out by the time you're watching this video, but presently it's not yet out. It's still on the making. All right. And that is about that. So you're gonna be upsell, the Ecom degree university, and much capital is needed to get started. That is just what you have to know. So whatever this guy is teaching you, he makes $350K per month and all that. Much capital is needed, and for you to know this guy, even whatever he's doing is Ecom, Amazon FBA and dropshipping, whatever. You have to know that he has some staffs, okay, that might be working for him. So you that is one man business, you need to know that you need a lot of time. So that is the thing about e-commerce. It's not like other business like Amazon FBA or probably even coaching. It's not like those type of business whereby you can just set it up and you can automate stuff. But with Amazon FBA or dropshipping that involves physical products that you have to sell and ship to people, you need to always be there. Like, it needs your attention, even though you might not be the one doing the shipping or actually holding any inventory. You still have to be there. You still have to monitor progress. Look at how everything is going. Your ads are performing and all that, because your ads can even get banned and anything can happen. So a lot of stuffs happen in Amazon FBA, in the e-commerce world generally, that is kind of very, very difficult. So that is one thing that you have to know. And the thing is that you still will not learn the cost strategies just from signing up with a workshop. Just like I've said, you will not learn the cost strategy. So don't feel like maybe you signing up for this workshop, you're gonna be financially free and you're free for life. No, it's just a step to pitch you for the Ecom degree university course. All right. Several minutes of hours of webinar with pitching at the end. That is what is tiring, because after waiting for several minutes to hours and watching the webinar, watching the workshop and seeing how William is doing, probably maybe even invited another guru this time around, and they keep showing you all the stuffs and all that, all the shiny object stuffs, and you wonder what might actually happen next. So you spend a lot of time in this workshop or the webinar, and at the end of the day you have to still purchase their coaching program for them to get rich. So you have several email follow-ups which you get after you sign up, in case you've not purchased the Ecom degree university. So you need to know that you're gonna be bombarded with some emails for you to just from William, so that you can sign up and probably buy their coaching program. So that is majorly about this. And if you have any experience with this guy, you can let us know in the comment box. However, if maybe you have another type of business you're doing, online business you're doing before, I would suggest you just focus on that and don't bother, going for all those shiny objects that you still have to invest $2,000 for you to join their program. Or probably maybe the Ecom 2.0 might have even increased to $5,000. So I don't know, but instead of you just wasting money on all this type of program and at the end of the day you don't get result, you should just focus on what you're doing and keep on, improving in it. Okay. And if you're the kind of person that maybe you're not getting any result in what you're doing presently, but maybe you are looking for a way to make money online, or maybe you don't have even any way to make money online, and you're looking for a way which you can stay financially free, then you can do affiliate marketing, because that one doesn't require your time. Just with 4 hours a week, you can automate your stuff, and affiliate marketing can keep working for you and earning you money online. All right. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, how you can do this without having to have any product, having to even involve in selling or running expensive adverts, or even needing huge capital to get started, that is the beauty of affiliate marketing. You can get started with zero capital compared to business like this, whereby you still need huge capital for you to get started with e-commerce. But affiliate marketing, it is not your product, so you can get started and you can even share 50% profit with a product owner and you can earn. So that is the beauty of it, and you don't have to run expensive money on paid adverts or doing all this selling, ad selling and all that. All you have to do is just to know some simple hacks that can easily pull the trigger for you. If you want to learn more about this, just click the link in the video description, or if you check the screen, you're going to see a link there. You can decide to, type it out on your browser and paste it in your browse box, and head straight to that link, and you're gonna learn more from the video and probably learn from my mentor. I hope this video has been helpful. If it is, can I make sure that you hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new tutorials right there on this channel. And I'm gonna see you in some other video reviews. Enjoy the rest of the day, and make sure that you click the link in the video description or the screen, and I'll see you right there at the other end of the affiliate marketing video. Peace and take care. Bye.